Welcome to Breathless Cancun Soul. We are in room 1506. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations, and today we're stepping inside the Xhale Club Oceanfront Suite at Breathless Cancun Soul, an adults-only, all-inclusive right in the heart of Cancun.
Okay, first thing as you come in, you have this secret box for your room service. We just got here, so you do have some controls here. I have no idea what they do yet, but I will let you know later on in the video, so make sure you stay tuned. You have double closets right here. So in this one, you have your extra bedding, your safe. You do have some drawer space here. 4 drawers, plenty of room. The second closet, tons of hanging space, and umbrella, steamer, extra drawer space, and more. And then if we swing around, here is the bathroom. So this is an open bathroom. There is no way to close it off. Here is your water closet here. Toilet, of course, and then you do have a double vanity, and on the counter there is, let's see, we have body lotion, body bar, vanity kit, and shower cap, some washcloths, tissues, some water cups, like I said, double sinks. You have, that's actually perfect. My husband just changed the lighting. We have some towels, a scale. We have the hair dryer here. And then, amazing, I wish every resort had this. You actually have 3 drawers here. Check out this shower. So if you are in the double room option, there is a privacy screen that can come down. But here you have this ridiculous rain shower ahead or above. And then all this space here, you've got body wash, conditioner, shampoo, so you can leave those at home. You've got your handheld bench and tons of space. And then we have the king version. This is the Xhale Club. So king bed, you do have nightstands on either side of the bed with drawer space. You have this iPad here where you can do all kinds of controls. I don't know what yet, but again, stay tuned toward the end of the video and I will talk more about that. But across from the bed, you have this gigantic mirror, luggage rack, all this desk space. There is some drawer space here if you want it. Here is ice bucket, some glasses, some snacks. We are Xhale Club, and then the mini bar here. Oh, I lost a water bottle. So my husband actually found out you can put down a privacy screen even in the king room. Yeah, coffee maker here. Here is the privacy screen there if you think you need it. So not super private, but I do understand that these lights can change in color, so stay tuned for more info on that. You have a nice little chaise seating area here. Bar top. Lots of storage space, and then I don't think the view gets any better than this, but I'll get to that in a moment. You have a little chaise here. You do have a full hot tub, only for Xhale Club, and then it is almost the middle of June, and there is 0 seaweed here. something to note right here is public beach access. Now, every single beach in Mexico in this area is public. There are no closed beaches. However, what makes this beach a little bit different is the public access, like I said right here. So you are more likely to find more families, more kids here. That doesn't bother me, but I know it does bother some people. Down here, we have a gorgeous view of the energy pool. And then you can't see it, but the rooftop Xhale pool is over to the left. Okay, so it is a checkout day, and I thought I would let you know what we thought about the room and show you just a couple little intricacies that are pretty cool and pretty fun to know about this particular room and the rooms here at Breathless. So first thing, so I absolutely love, so this is as you come into the front door, but here, right by the front door, you have your all off switch. You have like your home, you have the wow, which I'll show you in a minute. And then this is like mood lighting. So you can control your lights right here. Love the secret box. Perfect for when you're getting room service and just to toss your dishes. But so you have one of these here. Please excuse the mess. We are packing up. You have one in the bathroom that controls the water closet, the lights around the mirror. This is like lights for this general area, the shower lights, and then this is your privacy, your shower privacy screen up and down. I thought what was really cool was in the shower, you actually have control switches for the rain head. So you have the first rain head, the second one, and then this is for the handheld. Our handheld did not turn off, but being able to turn the rain shower on and off was really, really cool. And then let me show you, again, we're packing up. So you also have controls right by either side of the bed. You know, your bedside lights here, that wow, this is like nighttime. This is kind of like mood lighting. I wish it were nighttime so you could see. So this is mood lighting. Everything's very dim. When they do turn down service, which we did get twice, I think that this is what they turn. They either turn on this one or this one, I'm not sure. Now the wow is really cool. So it's kind of like mood lighting, but then you've got the LED lights that change behind the bed. We loved this. This is actually what we kept on most of the time. We just thought it was really, really cool. So you've got those bedside controls on both sides of the bed, which are great because you can turn them off when you're in bed. So I'm just gonna turn all the lights on. Also, by this side of the bed here is your iPad. Now, I couldn't get it to work for room control, but you can see all information about the hotel, activities, you've got dining. So dining, this is where you can order your room service, in-room dining. They have a breakfast menu, lunch and dinner, late night snack. So a late night menu. You can even add on in-room drinks. They will do beer service until 11 o'clock at night. I think it's from 11 to 11. So it is, you can order extra waters, things like that. Spa, the activities, like I said, the room control did not work, but I'm assuming it's some of the features that maybe these controls do. I'm not quite sure. So you have that. This little iPad is pretty cool. Oh, one of my other favorite features that I missed in the bathroom was the Bluetooth speaker. So you've got the name, once you put your phone into pairing mode, this is the name of your Bluetooth speaker. There's the password, and your actual speaker is just right here. It makes it so much fun when you're getting ready for dinner to listen to your own music and have it play right there. Those are some of the features that we really, really loved about this room. I do recommend booking Xhale Club if it's in your budget. We really loved the jacuzzi on the terrace. It just made it so relaxing. We had a day where we got caught in rain, and to come back in sit in the jacuzzi was amazing. And then, of course, you get this stunning oceanfront view. It does not get much better than this, and I'm so sad we have to leave today because it is just stunning. So let's see, with all of that said, I don't think that there's anything we didn't really enjoy about this room. I thought the storage was incredible. One of my favorite things was actually the drawers underneath the vanity in the bathroom. There are 3 drawers here. I wish every single resort would do this. That was one of my favorite things. You've got tons of storage in the closets, way more than 2 people ever need. But this is just a really fantastic room. So I would not hesitate to book this room type again at all.
And that wraps up the Xhale Club Oceanfront Suite at Breathless Cancun Soul. And if you're watching this after September 30th, 2026, this property has officially rebranded to Amare Cancun by Hilton, so keep that in mind when you're searching. If you want to see what the full resort experience looks like, my complete resort tour and review is going to be linked right here when available, and my vlog from this trip is coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.